At Mississippi's only remaining abortion clinic, the day begins early. On one side of the fence are the volunteer escorts trying to ensure privacy for the women with appointments. On the other side are those trying to convince them to change their minds.
Hey, ma'am, have mercy on your baby.
The Pink House, as it's known by locals, is at the centre of a legal challenge against a Mississippi law banning most abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy.
It says, hey, abortion is murder.
A leaked draft opinion suggests the Conservative majority on the US Supreme Court will uphold the legislation and overturn Roe v Wade, an almost 50-year-old ruling guaranteeing nationwide access to abortion up until around 24 weeks of pregnancy.
We all know what it was like prior to Roe v. Wade, and a lot of us know people who went through horrendous things to access abortion care, in parentheses. So many women died.
If Roe is unravelled, states such as Mississippi would have the power to swiftly ban abortion altogether, a prospect welcomed by campaigners such as Omar Peters. He once considered himself to be pro-choice, but says his opinion shifted, partly due to the experience of a family member who regrets terminating a pregnancy.
The belief system is on our side. We believe we're on the right side of history so that hopefully all of our steps will one day abolish abortion.
Mississippi might be the epicentre of this legal battle, but the consequences of this case will be felt much more widely. It's estimated around half of America's 50 states could ban or significantly restrict access to abortion if Roe v Wade is overturned. Clusters of those states across the South and Midwest would leave many communities hundreds of kilometres away from a provider. And in one of America's poorest states, these women argue the cost of travelling would prove too high.
I mean, yes, there should be rules and regulations that go along with it, like ages and like how many times you can do it, but you shouldn't just take away the choice altogether.
You won't drown out the voice of God on Judgment Day.
The court's final decision is expected within weeks, deepening the divide over an intensely political and personal issue. Jade McMillan, ABC News, Jackson.